Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to indicate your completed workouts on the Arise application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then tap on the diary button down below, which is the first one, and then scroll down until you find this exercise option. Tap on the plus icon, and then you should indicate what did you do as a workout or as an exercise. Here you have the chance to type in the name of it into the search bar, and you can either select from the listed items such as 7 minutes Arise, ab workout, acrobatics. So as you can see, you have a vast variety of exercises and workouts organized into alphabetical order. So after you have selected the relevant exercise that you have completed, you can also indicate its duration. Here in the left side of the screen, as you can see, it's set to 30 minutes, so that's the default duration, but feel free to change it. It's ranging from 1 minute to 505 minutes. So select the relevant duration of your exercise, then tap on the check mark icon, and then you should click on the plus icon, thereby adding it to the daily exercise. Here you can check out the entries. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.